welcome to this week's BK Quick Tip, a new video series where we highlight tips and tricks with our radio editing software and our radios in general. For our very first episode, we wanted to highlight different views that can be utilized in res. Those of you familiar with our programming software are probably used to the single channel view that comes as a default. Single channel view is excellent for those who want to focus on one channel at a time. However, there is another view available to you, Multichannel View. You can switch to Multichannel View by going to View, Channel View, and Multichannel View. By changing to this view, you can see all the channels at one time in a list format. This can make your life easier when building large code plugs because of amazing features such as copy parameter and move entry. However, those are tips and tricks for another day. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing for more BK Quick Tips.